You are very beautiful.
Thank you.
I love your song and people also love your song. 7.1 मिलियन से भी ज़्यादा व्यूज आ चुके हैं अब तक. क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे सॉन्ग के बारे में?
बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरा नया गाना has reached you and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. बहुत शुक्रिया. I'm very grateful for the love that you show to our song Raat Baki.
साथ ही मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगा किस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है योर फैमिली, सलमान सर एंड योर फ्रेंड आल्सो.
Actually, I played the song. Pelika played the song to my friends, and I wanted to see the reactions, and they really liked it, and they started dancing. To one of the parties, we actually played the song without telling everybody, and they started dancing. So that was a good sign for us that the song, really is liked, and people are enjoying it. And then the friends, my friends and my family, of course, they told me that they liked the approach of the music video, which is totally different. You expect for a love song, to have like romance and a boy and a girl romancing and all that. But actually, this was a love story about a mother saving her daughter. You find out in the end that I was fighting and I was kicking all those bad guys so that I can save my daughter. Yeah.
जब आपको इस सॉन्ग का ऑफर आया तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था सॉन्ग को लेके?
I went to the studio, to Talim Studio, to record the song, and then Sajid Wajid, Sajid told me, just take these lyrics, go in front of the mic, and let's try to learn this song. So then slowly, he was like teaching me the tune and the lyrics, and we were just playing. He said, no, don't worry, we are just learning the song now, and then later on you'll come back and you record it properly. So I was like kind of a relaxed that we are just playing with it and all that. And then when I finished, he said, okay, now you have your recording, you have your song. So I was like, no way, I need to come back again and to record it properly. So he said, no, but it sounds good, you don't have to come back again. And I was like a little bit, all the time I had this in mind that I want to go back and do it again, to be very, very, with a lot of awareness and recording the song. But then he liked it that way, and people liked it that way. So I said, okay, let's just go with the flow, And then later on, for the music video, I didn't have a plan to have a music video for it. But then when I went to LA, I was on a music tour at that time. I met Daniello Cicero, the trainer, the action trainer. So all the time we are doing sessions and sometimes we're recording it. And I said, okay, let me use this song, Raat Baki, as a background to see how it matches. So then we shot the whole action sequence. And then I came to Mumbai. Haider Khan had an idea for the music video, and I think it's a beautiful idea. It's like that retro style combined with action, with that whole Sin City vibe and Kill Bill. So I really liked it, and I think he has created a very beautiful music video.
साथ ही इससे पहले भी हनी सिंह के साथ आपका सॉन्ग आया था यहाँ ही रहे,
रहे।
और अभी आया रात बाकी।
Yes.
और इस सॉन्ग में काफ़ी एक्शन भी देखने को मिला, मैं वीडियो देखा, बहुत ही प्यारा। आप बहुत ही अच्छा एक्शन आप कर लेते हो, क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
Both the songs are actually Asha Ji's songs, and I'm so happy because in this way I can show my respect and my gratitude for what she has brought for the Indian music, and it's so beautiful that we could recreate a song which was so loved by the audience, and it's a bridge between the older generation and the new generation. I feel it's so important for the new generation to preserve the essence of the music, of the Indian music. These legendary, iconic songs, if we can bring them along with us and recreate them, I think is the best thing, because we have the new sound with the most beautiful thing, the lyrics, the melodious music of the original songs. So I really like this idea of recreating an old song.
हालांकि पहले भी ये सॉन्ग आ चुका है, रीमेक हुआ है इस सॉन्ग को लेके, लेकिन फिर भी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, इतना व्यूज जाना बहुत ही बड़ी बात होती है। क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे उसके बारे में, रीमेक सॉन्ग के बारे में?
Yeah, I mean, I already answered to. What else would you like me to add to this? I don't. Huh? Or there is another aspect of the question? Huh? Yeah. But I'm happy that I'm able to recreate, to be part of the recreation of these iconic songs. And the earlier one was with Yo-Yo Honey Singh, and this one working with Sajid Wajid. At that time when Wajid was alive, and for me, it was a beautiful experience, and I will cherish it my whole life. And I'm happy that I'm part of these beautiful, legendary, creations. Yeah.
जी, आप बिग बॉस के घर में भी गए थे, करण जौहर सर भी थे, लोग बहुत डांस किए, बहुत एंजॉय किए, आप कितना एंजॉय किए घर में जाके, वो बताएं।
Ooh. To be in the house, I think is very challenging, very difficult, and hats off for the contestants for lasting for so long in the house and to put up with that whole tension, and the whole experience is very difficult, I feel. And congratulations to all of them for reaching so far. And a lot of respect for taking this challenge for so long and for changing their life, because all their lives will be changed. And as I said, Big Boss, I feel either makes you or breaks you according to your personality, if people will love you or not. And for me to be there in the house, it was super fun. But for a short time, to be a contestant, I think it'd be super difficult, for every human being to be there. But again, hats off to them.
आपको कौन पसंद आया, मतलब विनर के रूप में आप किसे देखते हो, कौन लायक है उस घर में जीतने के लायक, कौन?
I can't tell you yet, but I'm gonna vote for my favorite. There are few of them that I really like. I said already, it's Stan, it's Priyanka. I think most of people's favorites as well. And I wish best of luck to all of them, and the best one to win.
जी, साथ ही मैं जानना चाहूँगा आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, क्या कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा?
There will be new songs coming, some international projects as well. I can't name the artist, but there will be love songs and dynamic dance songs as well. We are still working on Beyond the Star, the docu-series. I've seen some episodes. They are looking fantastic, and they are bringing exactly what I visualized initially to be like a very inspirational story, motivational for people. We're working on this ones.
जी,
and live shows.
जी, साथ ही मैं उनके बारे में जानना चाहूँगा जो आपको इतना प्यार देते हैं, इंडिया वाले पूरे आपके फैंस जो हैं इतना प्यार देते हैं, उनके बारे में क्या कहना है आपका?
I'm so grateful for the love that I received in India, for the warm welcome that I had, and for the support that I received from so many beautiful people here. I feel India has amazing people, warm people, and I feel blessed to be here, and I feel blessed to do whatever I like the most, to sing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ma'am, you're right. Yeah. Ma'am, you.
Yeah. Surya.